How to invite agents in Niki Live. If you already have an active Niki Live agent account, you can invite other people to expand your network within the app. In this video, we will explain how to find the invite sub-agent option, copy your personal link, share it correctly, and check whether the new agent was connected to your network. We will also review the information available in the sub-agent list, how commission differences between levels work, and the most common problems during registration. The agent registration link and the link to the complete original guide on which this video is based are in the description of this video. If you are not an agent yet, first complete the Niki Live agent registration. After that, you will be able to access the agent invitation features in the app. Why inviting agents is important? Inviting agents is not only about sharing a link. Each person who registers correctly can add hosts, invite new agents, and generate activity within their own network. For this reason, it is important to use the correct link and then confirm that the invited agent appears in your sub-agent list. From that list, you can review information related to their performance, number of hosts, invited agents, and commission level. Before inviting agents. Before inviting other agents, make sure your Niki Live agent account is active. You should also confirm these points. You must have access to the agent features. The invitation option may appear as invite sub-agent. The invited person must register using your link. The person needs a Niki Live account and their user ID. During registration, they may need a verification code received in the app. How to invite agents step by step. The process consists of copying your personal invitation link and sharing it with the person you want to connect to your network. 1. Open Niki Live. Sign into your account from the app. 2. Open the agency menu. From your profile, tap Agency. 3. Find Invite Sub-Agent. Under Management or Sub-Agent Management, open Invite Sub-Agent. 4. Copy your link. Use the personal link generated by Niki Live. 5. Share it. You can send it through WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook, Telegram, or your website. And 6. Ask the person to complete the registration. The invited person must open your link and complete the form. Important. The person must use your invitation link. If they use another link or register through another agency, they may not be connected to your network. Invited agent registration. To complete the registration, the invited person must open your link and follow the form displayed by Niki Live. 1. Open the invitation link. 2. Enter their Niki Live user ID. 3. Request the verification code. 4. Check the official messages in the app. 5. Enter the received code. And 6. Submit the form to complete the registration. Once the process is completed correctly, you will be able to review the new agent in your sub-agent list. How to review invited agents. Do not assume that a person was connected just because they received the link. After registration, open the sub-agent list and confirm that the person appears in your network. In this section, you can review. Sub-agent list shows the agents connected to your network. Commission level shows the percentage assigned according to performance. Performance shows the activity generated by each agent. Number of hosts lets you review how many hosts each agent has. Number of agents shows how many agents each sub-agent has invited. Commissions from invited agents. Commissions from invited agents depend on the difference between your commission level and the invited agent's level. That difference is applied to the performance generated by the sub-agent's network. For example, if your percentage is higher than the invited agent's percentage, you may receive a commission based on the difference applied to their performance. From the sub-agent list, you can review the performance, number of hosts, and level of each connected agent. Levels, commissions, and conditions may change according to the active Niki Live rules. Always review the information shown in your account. Common problems when inviting agents. If an invited agent does not appear in your list, first check that they used your link and completed the form correctly. They did not use your link, they may remain outside your network. Incorrect ID. The form may fail if the ID is entered incorrectly. Expired code. They must request a new code if the previous one expired. Incomplete form. They must submit the request correctly. Connected account. If the account already belongs to another agency, it may not appear in your list. Frequently asked questions. What does inviting agents in Niki Live mean? It means sharing your link so another person can register as an agent or sub-agent within your network. Once connected, they can add hosts, invite other agents, and generate activity. Where can I find the option to invite agents? It is located in the agency menu. In the management section, it may appear as invite sub-agent. Does the invited person need to use my link? Yes. To be connected to your network, the person must complete the registration using your invitation link. What does the person need to register? They normally need a Niki Live account, their user ID, and the verification code received in the app. Where can I see the agents I invited? You can review them in the sub-agent list. It shows connected agents, their number of hosts, performance, and commission level. Can I earn commissions from invited agents? You may earn a commission according to your level, the sub-agent's level, their network performance, and the active Niki Live rules. Final notes. To invite agents in Niki Live, copy your link from invite sub-agent and share it with the interested person. Then confirm that they complete the form and appear in your sub-agent list. The registration link is in the description of this video. The link to the complete original guide is also in the description. Subscribe to the channel for more guides about registration, hosts, invited agents, commissions, and withdrawals in Niki Live.